everyone, I am Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of January 2021, that is the 1st to the 7th of January 2021, has in store for the sun sign Gemini. For the Geminis, this week is going to be a very stressful week, but a stress that has been in a way uh, initiated by you in a positive way. This is because you have decided to put an end to a lot of things in your life that was actually not meaningful. And you have been thinking of it since quite some long time. Things will have also come to an end, and also you will initiate and see to it that you put an end to a lot of things in your life that serves no meaning and purpose for you anymore. So yes, while doing that you will face a lot of stress, a lot of sadness and a lot of agony, but believe me, for something to start, something has to end as well, and it is a positive end to things that are not serving you anymore. So there is a positive side to putting an end to things as well. Moving on to the space of work, there is a very large possibility that people who are employed might actually want to quit their jobs or have already put down their resignation papers, or then are in the process of actually finding another job. This is because you have been understanding that it's been quite some time that you have been mulling over the decision of whether to or whether not to quit. And finally, this is a week where you could have taken this decision. And it is going to be a tough one, but eventually it is absolutely going to be for your own good. Just see to it that the parting is on a very amicable and friendly terms. Moving on to the space of finances. Your finances could also be partly a reason why you took the decision to quit your job. And they have not been good for quite some time. You must have spoken about it to your at your place of employment, but then no steps would have been taken. So financially, though this week is much better and stable, but you would be absolutely into the lookout for a job that offers you a lot of positive financial promise. Moving on to the area of relationship, there is a very high possibility that you are in a relationship where you have really given yourself completely and very loyally, and yet the relationship has not worked out for you. You've tried again and again, but of no avail and of no use. So there is a very high chance that you can actually put an end to a relationship simply because it is no longer healthy for you. Also, not necessarily that everybody has to end the relationship, but also you will find that there is a, for couples who are still very strongly bonded in the relationship, you will find out that there are a lot of misunderstandings that have cropped up into the relationship, which are making things better, or let's say which is spoiling the happiness quotient of the relationship. So see to it that you use this week in order to work out on the details within the relationship and make the relationship more peaceful and more harmonious. Moving on to the area of health. So all these activities and all this stress and strain is definitely going to get you down, which means you are going to feel very mentally and physically drained. However, if mentally you have to get out of this phase, you have to tell yourself that you did things which were painful, yes, but eventually at the end of the day they were for your own good. So you don't have to really regret them. Rather, you have to thank yourself for actually having the courage to go ahead and do that. Put an end to things which are of no purpose or no meaning in your life. And that could probably help you lift your spirits up. Your comments and your feedback about how you felt your experience of this first week of January 2021 for you is absolutely welcoming. Please feel free to share your experiences or just personally DM me, and I will be very happy to understand your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a very happy week ahead. Thank you.